Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best neti pots that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ComfyPot Ergonomic Ceramic Neti Pot. Without unnecessary introductions, from what we can tell, more thought was put into ComfyPot Ergonomic Ceramic Neti Pot than into most pots like this one. To name one, its silicone nozzle has no trouble fitting most noses, creating a comfortable yet tight seal that enables easy pouring without spilling. With the conical tip forming a secure seal against the nostrils, this pot lets you flush your sinuses mess-free. Unlike plastic neti pots, the model's made from ceramic, which aids not just its appearance but also its longevity. Having said that, the ceramic construction also makes the pot fragile against shock damage, so make sure you don't drop it, unless you're into kintsugi. Moving on. At number 4, we have the NeilMed Nasaflo Porcelain Neti Pot. NeilMed Nasaflo Porcelain Neti Pot, in case the name has not given it away already, is made from porcelain. Because it's crafted from this material, the pot will present very few storage and transportation challenges. Plus, it is much more pleasant to the touch than plastic pots. But the same material choice also makes this nice little vessel not quite as compatible with dishwashers as its plastic counterparts, so we would advise sticking with hand washing. With its unique nozzle design that incorporates the so-called gravity flow method, the model pours without spilling and without creating a mess. The handle is also ergonomically sound, letting you hold the pot with 2 fingers tops without feeling inconvenienced in some way. To go with the pot, you'll also be sent 50 pre-mixed packets filled with USP-grade sodium chloride, saline, and sodium bicarbonate. Made from natural ingredients, this solution's isotonic, preservative, iodine, BPA, gluten, latex, and drug-free. At number 3, we have the SinuCleanse Soft Tip Neti Pot. SinuCleanse Soft Tip Nasal Wash System is a pretty convoluted nomenclature, considering that what we're dealing with here is a pretty standard and, therefore, pretty simple neti pot. Of course, despite its seemingly standard construction, the pot also has its unique qualities. With the above-mentioned soft tip, the model provides additional comfort while delivering the saline solution into nasal passages. The same tip also creates a more secure seal, minimizing spilling. Nevertheless, despite its singular purpose, some may find the nozzle a bit awkward anyway, but we're delving into subjective territory here. Turning back, there's nothing subjective about the pot's transparent design, letting you view the water level and ensure that the saline solution is 100% dissolved before you start nasal washing. At number 2, we have the Dr. Hana's Nasopure Nasal Irrigation System. Dr. Hana's Nasopure Nasal Irrigation System is more a bottle than a pot, but because this container serves the same purpose, we feel comfortable putting it on the list. Plus, as far as we're concerned, the bottle is more comfortable anyway, both for kids and for adults. Capacity-wise, this nasal irrigation system measures the same 8 fluid ounces, but unlike pots, the bottle can be brought with you. As you would expect, it comes with a cap, so you can transport this bottle without spilling. The same can be said about its application, featuring an ergonomic and, what's even more important, an angled nozzle. The bottle lets you clear your sinuses, causing less of a mess than you usually would. Plus, made from see-through polypropylene, this plastic flask makes the remaining water level just as clear so that you know how much is left inside. And finally, at number 1, we have the MAOEVER Neti Pot. As much as we like traditional neti pots, well-led water pulse sinus rinse bottle is a lot more convenient. First, and maybe even foremost, because you can bend the tube, the bottle lets you rinse sinuses without bending and angling your head over the sink. Furthermore, The same tube delivers a gentle flow through the nostrils. Unlike with pots, this flow does not force the water through your congestion system, hydrating and soothing without making you feel like you're drowning or providing an unpleasant stinging/burning sensation. The only problem we have with this bottle is that the button on its top that you have to press to make it work is fairly small, but that's what happens when you target products toward kids and adults. There's no problem with it being made from transparent polypropylene though, making the bottle dishwasher safe. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.